Cacio e Pepe. Looks so simple, just cheese, pepper, and pasta water. 4 rounds proved why it's so tricky. You need smooth, silky sauce that coats every strand of pasta without stringy clumps. Rounds 1 and 2 failed miserably. Round 3, huge improvement. Round 4 delivered perfect silk at last. Make cheese sauce. Chef Luciano's Roman method. Finely grate Pecorino Romano cheese and Parmesan cheese. Toast peppercorns low and slow. Blend with hot, not boiling water, plus cornstarch slurry. Freezer keeps it soft, not rock hard. Early rounds got almost no olive oil. That was problem 1. Round 1. Bucatini. Those thick, hollow tubes stay stiff since they are undercooked. Cold freezer cream hits a hot burner with hot pasta. Total temperature shock. Stringy disaster after 30 extra seconds trying to cook it out. Round 2. Rigatoni. This time I changed to rigatoni. Instead of fresh water, I topped up the first pot. Repeated the same burner mistake, heating cheese with pasta directly on. Undercooked pasta takes longer to cook in the sauce, which means the cheese stays on the burner way too long. So much worse. Round 3. I cooked with spaghetti. Added less salt to the pasta water since pecorino is plenty salty. Off camera, I stirred more olive oil to the cream. I added cream and pasta water off heat. I emphasized off heat and mixed well. Then turn the burner on low to finish. Much creamier. Round 4. Testing Chef Denis Prokofiev's method. Frying pan with pepper and pasta water simmering first. Builds flavor. Add cooked spaghetti. Stir until most water is absorbed. Ladle room temperature cream into a mixing bowl. Add pasta. Toss till every strand is coated. Work like a charm. Silky perfection at last. 4 rounds, 2 fails, 1 acceptable, 1 silky, Cacio e Pepe. Timing and heat management beat ingredients every time. Recipe card timestamps below. Start with round 4 method this weekend. Tell me which mistake you've made before. See you next time at Lay's Kitchen, where flavors are without borders.